JetFormBuilder now supports drag-and-drop file uploads, making forms more powerful and user-friendly. With an intuitive drag-and-drop UI, seamless WP Media Library integration, and the support for multiple file types, uploading has never been easier. This is Julia from Crocoblock, and now let's dive in and see how it works. The drag-and-drop file upload block provides a flexible file upload functionality for forms. It supports both drag-and-drop upload for all users and integration with the WordPress media library for logged-in users. Key features include image resizing and quality control before upload, as well as customizable file storage options. The block field is available if the drag-and-drop file upload JetFormBuilder Pro add-on is installed and activated. So let's add the drag-and-drop file upload block and start with the settings. As always, there is the General Settings section that contains field label, form field name, and a field description. It is common for all the form fields, so let's move on to the field settings. First of all, you have User Access, a drop-down to specify what user roles can use this field, for example, any registered user. Enable Drag-and-Drop Upload UI is enabled by default. It activates the Drag-and-Drop Upload interface. Note that at least one upload method must be enabled, either this one or the Enable WP Library UI below. When turned on, it enables the native WordPress media library interface for file uploads. This option is available only to logged-in users. Insert Attachment is an option that lets users insert files as attachments. If active, field value becomes available, allowing you to select how the field value will be stored, as attachment ID, URL, array with both ID and URL, or array of attachment IDs. Save uploaded files on server is enabled by default. Keep in mind that if the Insert Attachment toggle is enabled, this option will remain active and cannot be turned off. In case of enabling the WP Media Library UI option, Insert Attachment and Save Files to the server remain turned on, as it requires both of them to function properly. Upload mode defines when the file is uploaded. When set to upload on form submit, files are sent to the server only upon form submission. Instant upload means that the files are uploaded to the server immediately after selection. Maximum files to upload sets the maximum number of files a user can upload. The default value is 1. A maximum file size specifies the maximum size allowed for a single file upload in megabytes. Maximum file size message sets a custom message displayed to users when the uploaded file exceeds the allowed size. Allowed MIME types specify which file types are permitted for upload, for example PDF, video, TXT, zip, audio. If left empty, all file types supported by WordPress will be allowed by default. Allowed MIME types message sets a custom message displayed to users indicating which file types are allowed. In addition, there are the following options for adjusting the image dimensions and quality, as well as changing the labels. Lastly, let's check the styling options. The add-on allows you to change the color of every block element. The block can be added to any form of your choice and be displayed in the preferred page builder with the help of the JetForm widget or block. Now let me proceed to the front end and open this form for adding a new property. Here is how drag-and-drop file uploader looks, and what's left is to drop a couple of files here. You can change the order of the files easily, delete one or all of them, and add more files if needed. If Enable WP Media Library UI option is activated, then the upload field will look like this. In this case, logged-in users will be able to choose files from the WordPress media library. After the form is submitted, the uploaded files are saved either directly in your Uploads folder or in the WordPress media library, depending on the settings you choose. One of the cool things about this add-on is the upload indicator you see when using instant upload mode. It shows the progress in real time, so users always know their files are being uploaded successfully. Plus, the form submission is blocked until the upload is complete, which prevents incomplete or broken file uploads. Non-image files appear in the preview area with the standard WordPress file type icons, and when you hover over them, the file name pops up for a quick reference. Another great thing is that using this add-on, you can update the media meta fields of the posts. For example, if you add the drag-and-drop file upload block to an edit post form, you can easily refresh the media meta field with the new files or replace the ones you previously uploaded to that post. To make it work, you just have to make sure that the meta field and the form field names match, the insert attachment option is turned on, and the needed post-submit action is set up. Last but not least, now you can send uploaded files as email attachments even without saving them on the server. Just set the send email post-submit action, tweak these settings, and the files will go straight into your inbox without taking up storage space. So that's the new drag-and-drop file upload add-on from JetFormBuilder. With an intuitive upload UI, instant progress indicators, flexible file handling, and a WP Media Library integration, this add-on makes file uploads a breeze to work with. Whether you're storing files on your server or just sending them straight to your inbox, you've got full control. And this is just the beginning. More improvements are on the way, so stay tuned. Leave your comments down below and tell us what your favorite feature about this add-on is. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.